Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are on Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard. Some people refer to it as Sir Florizel Glasspool Highway, and we're in a Rockfort area heading towards Harborview. It's a rainy afternoon, but on the right you'll see the Kingston Harbor. They have a project called the Greater Infrastructure Development Program. It's part 2 to the major infrastructure development program. So I'm hoping that this road will be one of them that they renovate, because it really could do with some renovating. And with the Southern Coastal Highway starting in Harborview, then this would be an ideal time to renovate this road, so you could drive from Kingston basically all the way to Negril on highway quality roads. So hopefully this road will be renovated soon. On the left now is we passed the Rockfort Mineral Bath earlier, but now this is the cement company, Carib Cement. It's the largest cement company in Jamaica. And these things you see going across the road, they lead to the Carib Cement has their own pier. So the ships just come up to the pier and the goods are transported through those things to the ships. On the left, that is the most expensive gas station for low sulfur in Jamaica, or in Kingston I should say. I've never seen a gas station more expensive. Alright, this is the Harborview roundabout now. We'll go around the roundabout. Okay, turn left here, we're going to the Harbor View area. Turn left here, we take that road, that's where you go to St. Thomas, that side, and that's where the Southern Coastal Highway is going to start in Harbor View. Wow, this is like a river. Turn left there and that takes you to the airport and Port Royal. Turn left here and it takes you to the Sir Florizel Glasspool Boulevard, and that takes you back into Kingston. So we went all the way around the roundabout and we're going to go into Harbor View. So on the left is the Harbor View Shopping Center or the Harbor View Plaza. On the right is the residential areas for Harbor View. And when Harbor View was first built, the original area, the power lines were actually underground. So if you look, you notice those lights and poles on the right, they don't have electricity wires on top of them. However, it was a discussion for another video, but the electricity company in Jamaica said it was too expensive to maintain the wires on the ground, and they stopped doing it, so all the wires had to go back up on the poles. But a lot of persons always ask, why do they have so many wires up in the air? And there is a regulator called the OUR in Jamaica, but I'm not sure what the details were. But I mean the details of how the OUR dealt with it, but basically they said all the power lines are now above ground in this area. And the same thing for Hope Pastures. The Hope Pastures citizens actually took JPS to court because the wires were originally run underground. And I'm not sure the outcome was, but the wires, you now have to get an overhead connection, or I think the court said, or JPS said, you had to, if you have your wires underground, you have to maintain them yourself. And if you want to connect from the underground system to the above ground system, I think residents had to pay. But it was originally set up for these electrical wires to run underground. Just didn't work out. Remember, at one time, JPS was the Jamaica Public Service Company. They were owned by the government of Jamaica, but over the years, the company was sold, the shares were sold, and the Jamaican government is no longer the majority shareholder. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.